calling investors or renovation buyer ''S. So much house for the money. Located just minutes from downtown Athens and the University of Georgia, this home has the space you need and the yard you will love. There's room for everyone both inside and out, and you will appreciate the updated kitchen complete with granite and other bells and whistles. This home provides easy access to everything in the classic city, and you won't find a better value out there anywhere. While you're thinking about it, someone else is making an offer, so don't let this be the one that gets away.